Hello everyone, this is Drew from Best of Us Investors working with Mark on the Platinum Trading Platform. I just wanted to share some updates on our Platinum service. As you may know, if you have been a subscriber on our channel for some time now, Mark, who has been successfully investing for over 40 years and warned us to get out of the market in 2021 November when the market was at its peak, is now helping our subscribers on swing trades, analyzing more than 700 companies each week based on 10 indicators and sharing these tickers or stocks that are set up for good uptrends every day, along with weekly Zoom calls for Q&As with your members. So for this week, there are a couple of stocks that were mentioned that helped my trading and wanted to share it with you all. So the first one is AMD. On March 6th, when AMD was approximately around $81, Mark shared with the members that the candle has closed above the SMA that we were keeping an eye on, and that although we were waiting for a confirmation on the MACD, the other indications that we analyzed were in a positive trend, and also pointed out that there might be a resistance at $83.67, and if it passes this point, the second resistance might be at $85.25. And the reason for sharing these resistances is to make sure that the members can have an idea on where the stock price may get rejected. Now, although the MACD was not confirmed, I looked more into the stock myself and was willing to take the risk since I'm personally more risk tolerant with my trades, and bought AMD at $81.50, and of course with a stop loss to protect myself from any downtrends. Now, thanks to Mark that has done all the work for me and shared this stock, I was up more than $6 per share at one point, or almost 8% within 1 week. Now, I am following the guidelines to find a price that I should sell and take my profits, but whenever I have questions, I can ask on the Discord directly to Mark, and he always gets back with great insights. Now, another stock that Mark mentioned this week was Berkshire Hathaway B on the 6th when it was $312.55 per share, mentioning that the indicators were pointing out at a positive direction, but might have resistance at $313 and $314. And he kept following up on the stock each day, telling us that we might want to set up a stop loss above the cost basis, just in case to preserve our gains, since there is a possibility that the Fed testimony may tank the market, and that is what exactly happened. Now, Mark sent out a sell alert to the members with the reasons at $314.76, preserving our gains of $2.20 per share, or $220 if you would have traded 100 shares when the stock was uploaded on our spreadsheet. And now, as you can see in the graph, it is down to $309, where we would have lost more than $3 per share, or over $300 if it was not for the follow-up from Mark and his sell alert to the members. So eventually, instead of losing $3 per share, we were able to gain over $200 on this trade if we would have traded 100 shares. So again, if you are interested in more of these swing trade updates, daily ticker suggestions, educational content, and live Q&A with Mark on a weekly basis, make sure you join our Platinum member in the description below so that we can make it through this tough market together. I am looking forward to seeing you all at the weekly Zoom call so that we could share great insights together. Thank you very much, and see you on our next update video.